Hello and welcome to my channel about L. My name is L, actually Alexander. If you're new to my channel, then you know that you need to subscribe, would be nice. Thank you very much. And now let's start with the reaction today. It is Stray Kids, and this is the title in Korean, and it means in Korean
소리꾼.
소리꾼. In English,
The vocalist.
The vocalist. If you also have an idea on any song that I should react to, then write me in the comments or on Instagram, Facebook at AboutAlyt. Follow me there either, would be nice. Just click the link in the description, would be nice. And now let's start. You will also find the link to the original song in the description. Have fun! This looks nice. La 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 la. Wow. Damn. Magnifique. Wow. Incredible, awesome. Wow. Singing, dancing, video. Everything nice. Like the whole package fit 100%. Oh. Cool. Wow. 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 Really awesome. I like it a lot. It's the first song that I listen of them. I just know Changbin from the Mirror Mirror with Millie and F Hero. Really nice song. Great. Wow. If you didn't know it, then check it out in the description. I put you the link. There you will also find the link to my Facebook and my Instagram channel. Would be nice if you follow me there either. Thank you very much. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in one of my next videos. Bye.